friends, today we're going to be working in the Smashbook journal. I only have 2 pages done so far, but up until now I've been using stuff I already had, and I thought it would be fun to go through and try to show you how to deliberately pick things out to use. Okay, that is a really beautiful flower. I like that. That is super pretty. That is drawing me. Ooh, could we put a circle necklace around it? Ooh, that's kind of fun. And now the hard part for me is I am so used to going through. Oh, I love that pot. I kind of love that pot and that table. Could I maybe put something different in there? I think I could. But anyways, the hard part for me about this is I have to look at pictures and words at the same time. And I tend to just do one or the other. I tend to look at just pictures or look at just words. Actually, with words, I tend to, when I get to the end of a book, a magazine, I tend to cut out a lot of words at the same time. What makes an icon? Ooh, this is a pull-out. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's painting. I wish I could paint a room aubergine. I seen years ago on this show called Trading Spaces, they did an aubergine room, and ever since then, I have wanted to. Okay, so this could be Slum, Muse. Ooh, Muse. I like Muse. I'm going to do that. Oh my gosh, look at this. We could do definitely write words with all those little letters sometime. Okay. Ooh, it looks like her wallpaper's hat. All right, I'm not mad about the vases. So if we would find some more vases, we could have funny things coming out of them. Ooh, look at those beautiful cactuses. And I haven't told you this time. Ooh, that looks like a scorpion. That's really quite cool. I think I want to do this for a glue book because it'll really jump off the page. So a glue book is where you just take stuff. It's kind of self-explanatory. Smashbook. You take stuff you like and just smash it all together, glue it all together, and you don't do a ton of other messing with it. Like when I do magazine collage, a lot of times I'll do, you know, put people's heads together, put different eyes on them, all that. And this is more of a kind of use what you have. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so how cool is that for a background? I love that. That's really trippy. Okay. And I'm not doing this for any specific idea right this second, more just to get some concept things. And with a Smashbook, that's what you're supposed to do. Now, I will tell you, so for a lot of people, let me get my big scissors out. For a lot of people, when you cut this out, if you don't love fussy cutting, so this might be a better project if you don't like making all the little tiny cuts like we do for magazine collage sometimes. But for a lot of people, that would be appropriate to put in a Smashbook, right? You don't have to have it be all fancy. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around each of these, come in here, and give it more dimension. So it's your book. You get to pick. Do you want your book to be super fussy and a pain in the ass, which is what I love? Or do you want it to be more casual, just stuff that you like? Are you looking at the words? Because I'm terrible at looking at the words. Yell if you see something. I do like repetitive things, but those aren't jumping out to me. Oh, there's an egg. You're like, okay, yes, and Well, our granddaughter is allergic to eggs, so we're, as a family, very focused on eggs. We see an egg, we say it's an egg. Okay, here's another little something that caught my eye. That could be a fun little piece to put in somewhere. Oh, there's a little rocket ship made. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? That's a rocket ship made out of lunch meat. See, in this kind of book, a lot of times the clever things that advertisers do have a little bit more of a place. This is Thanksgiving. This could be fun. Like I said, I want to look for words, but I also have a whole bunch of words already cut out, so I'm not too stressed about it. Ooh, there's another big, let's see, how big is our pot place? Let's see, would that, oh, that would fit on there. I kind of like it that it's at the wrong angle. This is really cheap paper. This is a Better Homes and Gardens. Really cheap paper. But it's fine. We're just cutting it up and gluing it. All in good time. That's a cute saying. Now, I'm not... Ooh, that's kind of fun, those circles. I like repetitive things. I'm not going to be doing this all with you. This is kind of a book that sometimes I'm going to do a whole page with you. I wish there was a cat with that. Sometimes I'll do a whole page with you. Sometimes I'll just show you little bits. Ooh, those are pretty flowers. Those are beautiful flowers. There's a cat. I would like a smaller, I know I said a cat, but could I have a smaller cat? That's kind of cool. I would use this in a different kind of glue book where I wanted a background, because that's an amazing background. Ooh, pretty flowers. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I could be looking for little heads. Oh, and I have, hold on one second. I have Birds in Bloom. So I may want to use, see, like this little bird. He's cute. Oh, yeah. So here I can see through this. I don't have to ruin a flower on the back to have a little bird. I can see through the page. But I was thinking, like, could I have a little bird coming out of some of these places? I don't know yet. It's just an idea at this point. Ooh, I might find some pots in here. Ooh, look at that. That's very fancy. So you know who's funny about birds. Diane Ravely's hilarious about birds. Anytime she doesn't know what to do with something, she's like, put a bird on it. Ooh, a bee. That's beautiful. I'm going to have a bee in one of my glue book pages because I love bees. And I think I'm going to take out the 2 purple pages and kind of use the purple as a background. The latest in lilacs, it says. Oh, there's a birdhouse. What does that look like? That looks like something, doesn't it? And it has little chains going down. I don't know. That I find interesting. Oh, there's some more purple. There's a cute little duck. Ooh, a buffalo. Why is there a buffalo in Birds in Bloom? Oh, there's a little tiny deer. What's on the back of this? And a baby chipmunk. Oh, here's another background, right? He's over here. Now, you couldn't get him without getting the chipmunk, too. There definitely may be a time when I need a little tiny chipmunk. Okay, here's another Birds in Bloom, winter. A lot of times they have really cute ads in here, too. Boughs of pine needles. Ooh, that looks chilly. So pretty. I love when they show the winter birds with the berries. Oh my gosh. Such big birds. If I was doing a magazine collage, I'd be going nuts. Oh, and I haven't even looked at the words. Look, raccoons in the bird book. So many cute things. Yeah, that's right on his head. But I love his little raccoon head. puffin. I've made people with puffins a lot. I have puffin issues. That's a cute little bird. All right, let's see if we can find something different. Take no prisoners. Bibbidi bobbidi who. For these ones, the Hitman, I'm looking more at the words, right? Shots in the dark. Scrapbooking. Nice. Oh, gosh. She looks a little scary. I kind of love her. How big is she? Hang on. Don't forget, I have a little tiny bird in the... See? He's trying to get away. Oh, I lost her. Ooh, she would fit in. I kind of love her. I'm assuming Fargo is based on that Fargo movie? Question mark? Show? I don't know. I don't watch much TV. These cars are kind of cool. If I was doing a different kind of journal and I have that rocket ship launching off, that could be a cute border. Oh, there's a cat, but a really big cat. Oh, I love those flowers. They're very cool. That's a nice font. So you could spell spots. That's a good font. Got some cute little things. All right. These ones are done. Let's get them out of the way. And this is just a pile of magazines I had from going to the thrift store. And it's funny that you can go through this 1,000 times, and depending on what your focus is for each time you go through, you see different things. I didn't want to, and this is an old ratty magazine. This is 95. I love an old magazine. That is a big jacket. Everybody loves a big jacket. Oh, that's cute. It must be a Christmas one, maybe? Oh, it definitely is a Christmas one. I don't know if I'm going to find anything good in here with Christmas going on. Milk. Got milk. Drink milk. Why one mother may never know her babies. So I love, like those words about mothers. I'm sure I can work my mother into this project. Poor thing. She's been dead for almost as long as I had her alive, and I still throw her under the bus. I think that's just a mom thing. Could they really make me? You want to look for what the words say that isn't, and now I need my, which I could use like at the end of a word. Oh, the like a prayer got into their heads. Same, sister, same. Okay. Oh, speaking of my mother had a fancy Citizen watch like that. They were a real thing. It's weird, and I kind of love it. I might try that. That's very weird. I don't know where I would use it other than a glue book. Let's look through a couple more, see if we could find anything this holidays. This is, oh, I must have had a holiday little thing. Those are all holidays. All right, real quick. Nope, not that one. Let's real quick go through this one with stuff already cut out that I might like. Oh, there's a fish. I do like a fish. I'm going to put lots of this stuff on pages. And then one of our next videos I'll show you, because I'm going to be working on this. Oh, him. He could go out of one of those. Oh, that's a little, I thought it was garbage. It was not. Okay, I don't need people parts. That's kind of fun, huh? A bit of this is because I just have, oh, there's some more of it. See, I cut it out. A bit of this is just Some of this is great because I already have it cut out. There's a little house. Let's put that. I think little things are going to be good here too. That's beautiful. The tail of the tiger slippers. Like that. And it'll make a good way to carry my stuff around. All right, those are good for other things. Other things. Oh, there's the fish. I like a fish. Tiny house. I had a tiny house like that and something else. Those are people. I think that could be a better background for something big. Ooh, this is a choo-choo train. Oh, this little guy. I love him. I cut him out because I loved him. See, now, I think that's pretty. It's just a little piece of something pretty. And that is... See, I like those really creepy little edge pieces. All right, those are heads. This is a head. Okay, this is kind of cool, I think. Let's see if it's wide enough, if our thing is wide enough. Oh, totally. Yeah, we can make a keys. Some birds cut out, some flowers cut out. Oh, there's another one. Little birds. I kind of like that shoe. This is a heart I made. That isn't anything. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I think this goes with that other one. The lion. Tiger? Lion? Elefante? Ooh, do we want a plane to go with our launch off? I don't know. Ooh, a little dog. I've been looking for a little dog to go with. Oh, I'm going to leave them on the top because we're really close to being done. Those are just parts. Oh, these go together. That's kind of fun. Ooh, this is another lady looking to murder her. I watch way too much true crime. I know. I know. I know. It's so funny looking back through some of these things and remembering when I cut them out and what I thought I might use them for and then not using them. And these guys are cool. Some of these are for real magazine collage where you put people all together and make paper dolls. And some of them are just stuff I've collected over the years. I'm going to keep that parrot in there. Okay, this unicorn is great. A tiny Jeep is great because I have a Jeep. Look at her. She's fun. She's like a princess, weird princess. I like her. Don't worry. I'm going to go through everything. Not all the little things, but all the big things and show you what we picked out today. And then I'm also going to be using all my words that I've already cut out. So I have a whole bunch of little stuff that you've seen. I have a bunch of words. And then let's look and see what kind of stuff we picked out. We picked out the cowboy, this weird lady's face. That's kind of creepy. Something about my mother. Poor thing. This crazy lady. This is going to be fun to cut out. Purple things. The bee. I love bees. I have 2 bee tattoos. One on my neck and one there. The little birdie. An extra container to go on this table. The left off snackies. A fun background. The scorpion. I love that. Muse. I was like, is that Slum Muse? Very beautiful necklace and a beautiful flower. And I think before I go in, oh, I have to cut it out. But I think I'm going to emboss that because I think it would be really pretty if we did a bunch of different colors. Maybe I'll save that for us to do together one day. So hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.